Hi guys, and greetings to you all. Welcome back to my channel. In this channel I have created a new playlist, and that's like, oh great, I created a new playlist, and that playlist is what I call the Canva Authority playlist. So this Canva Authority playlist is where I'm going to be creating a whole of Canva tutorials, but this time around it is going to be with your mobile phone. I noticed that a lot of people create YouTube videos for you, and you consume them because they are teaching you how to use this particular platform on a computer. But these videos I'm going to be creating will teach you how to create sophisticated designs using your mobile app. What you're going to do is just follow along, and this is going to help you a lot. If you are ready to see this big bang and Canva Authority trainings, all I want you to do is subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.